Option trading at 500 rupees. Today profit 50 point. Let's take a look how it happened in today's video. Previous day, in yesterday video, we have shown how sell call generated and break out the target. That sell call red color candle selling momentum followed today up to 11 o'clock. After 11 o'clock, market was going upper side direction, upper side breakout, buy call green color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will give calls like a signal. Through this call, you can do manual trade, auto trade. Both are possible. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We are watching in Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart on daily basis, on standard basis. We are uploading video in Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart, how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Today it's a Tuesday market, Jan 21st we are watching. After 11:45 upper side breakout, can you see that big red color candle, upper side breakout, buy call, green color candle open. After the breakout, the green color candle with open with buy at 49,112, first target is 49,234, it's more than 120 point first target range. Within 1 minute of market momentum, within one candle, it successfully break out the first target range. Out of the money 49,500 call option we are watching. The buy call came at 455 range and market move all the way to 520. It's more than a 50 point momentum in the option chart. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.